Hey, hello, Rick Billings here. Hey, I want to show you Instant Rapport Live. This is an amazing tool. You talk about building rapport online, this is the tool you have to have. Now, rapport is the first step in the recruiting process. You got to build relationships with people. And this is a fantastic tool to do that with it. Now, you see there's a window on the right-hand side. You're able to show a PowerPoint presentation in that window. You can also show a video. Take a look at this.
Thank you, Dr. Dennis Wigley, for giving me my voice.
Now you'll notice when the video was playing, there was a holding image that come up in my webcam window. How cool is that? Now, I have this all personal branded. Personal branding is so important on the internet now. So I have my particular tool right here from Instant Rapport Live, personally branded. It has all my social media buttons in it. It has my contact information below my webcam window. I can do all kinds of creative things with this. I can do training with my team, send out the video emails through training, and besides just the video, multimedia video email here, there is a 50-seat webinar that comes with this. Okay, and a secure email program with an 800 number. So my 800 number messages go into my inbox. My faxes go into my inbox. It has autoresponders built into it. This is an amazing tool, and it's less than 40 bucks a month. And it has an affiliate program with it. You get 5 people to join underneath you, and your system's free. Okay, it can be used for many uses. Besides online marketing, network marketing, insurance people can use it, real estate people, people in the mortgage business, corporations, many different types of businesses can use this tool. Anybody that's sending out email can now send out video email. This is exciting. We know how powerful video is. When people hear something and see something, they tend to remember it 50% more than just reading it. Okay, very important. So click on one of the links below if you want to see. Go to instantrapportlive.com if you want to see more information about this wonderful tool. And I hope you decide to make it a great tool that works for you.